Hello, I'm Utubedishgagige. I hope you are all in good health and wealth. Today I'm going to show you how to boil the rice, simple rice. As I showed you some rice which I showed you today, I'm going to cook that rice. I've got water here, it's boiling, bubbling away, and I've got a tablespoon of salt and 1 cup of rice. That's been soaked for 20 minutes. Now my rice 1/3 is done, as you can see, and I'm going to drain the water now. This is the rice is done, half done. I've drained the water now and it's on a very low fire. I've got a serving spoon of oil which I'm going to put in there and put the lid on to steam it. That's going to be for 10 minutes, it should be done. Thank you. It's been 10 minutes now, I'm going to switch off the gas. And my rice is done. As you can see, it's all fluffy and separate. That's how it should look like. This is my rice, that's how it looks like. Thank you for watching.